Tired of juggling Zillow links and your Podio workspace? I'm going to show you how to seamlessly add Zillow links to Podio, simplifying your real estate data management in just a few simple steps. First, open your Podio workspace and navigate to the app where you want to add the Zillow link. Next, identify the specific item or property within that app where you want to store the Zillow link. Click on that item to open it. Now, you'll need to enter edit mode. Look for an edit button, usually located in the top right corner, and click on it. This allows you to modify the item's fields. If you don't already have a field for your Zillow link, you'll need to create one. Add a new field and label it something like Zillow link or property listing URL. Ensure you select the URL field type. Okay, time to grab that Zillow link. Go to the Zillow property listing you want to add. Copy the entire URL from the address bar of your browser. Return to your Podio item and paste the copied Zillow URL into the designated Zillow link field. Finally, save your changes. Click the Save button, usually located at the bottom or top of the edit screen. And that's it. You've successfully added a Zillow link to your Podio item now. Anyone viewing that item can simply click the link to be taken directly to the Zillow listing, streamlining your workflow and saving you valuable time.